record. Okay. Okay, start again. So the first paragraph you are seeing here is regarding what we have done, what we want to achieve, what was the crux of the project. So before this, they were doing manual operations, like you understand, they are gathering the documents in numbers, Aadhaar, PAN, and everything. And for Aadhaar and PAN, there is no easy process. They have to send, they have to upload the documents. They have to wait. Sometimes scans are not good. So all those kinds of problems. And then there is no surety when any department would be coming back to them. There was no SLA. So that was hindering their actually business process, and the customers were going away. So since, and there are APIs and everything available, but they haven't integrated. They were not that tech savvy, that company. So now what we are doing to validate client input and documents, as well as gathering client status information, KYC portal use different online government sources, national and international government, non-government authorized valid resources to make sensible information decisions. So ये सारी चीज हम लोग कर रहे हैं, and then online KYC helps meet your, basically this is my proposal to someone, so that's why the language like this. So online KYC help to regulatory obligations, informed decisions. So this is we are helping the organizations with features. We have summed up here. Okay. And these are the, basically if you see the organization broker, so this ACML is our client and the stock exchange. So that is they have head office operations and they have a layer of sub brokers under them. So they have to control, they have to manage the account opening process from each and every broker. So that is yeah, so that is head office and branch kind of relation. So we are managing that again relation, and then depository features and client application process highlights. So this will be useful to you. So this information. So here I will, if I share you, so this might answer your question, what were the challenges. So challenges you can expect out of this. It was a cumbersome manual process, first thing. To collect the document and to validate the document, it was taking too much time. Third, since the timing bank account opening, sorry, trading account opening timing was not predictable, so that was creating confusion among customers, and the client was losing the customers because of the delays, procedural delays. So main bottleneck was the procedural delays. So challenges here, and solution kya tha? We have to link every point of sale, mainly basically broker, to the head office, and from head office we have to provide a mechanism to accept the documents and everything from the client location, from the point of sale, from the broker, and to validate them as soon as they receive everything. So this validation is again not a simple one. This has to be, there are 3 to 4 different layers of validation. One validation is with the government. It was happening automatically. As soon as you input the information, it will validate and it will transmit to the head office. Second level, since the information is validated online, like you put the Aadhaar number, it got validated. But against the inputted Aadhaar number or provided Aadhaar number, you must be submitting some kind of document, because I can very well submit your Aadhaar number, but the document which I have submitted, whether it is matching or not. So those have 2 steps. So basically you can say rigorous testing is our part. So this is a maker checker is the word, if you want to note down. So maker checker is the process. So one person who is in the head office will be the maker, who will verify everything, primary investigation, and the checker will check what maker has done. So it's a 2-fold process, so which was mandated by the government or SEBI. So we are following that process. So, and the solution, you can work it out. What was the solution? What was the benefit? And the tangible benefit, which I can say results. So first, goodwill. It is not tangible, but actually their goodwill has increased a lot in the last 2 years. The customers who were leaving them, they were now coming into the fold, saying that, okay, now this organization is digitized and we are getting information without any delay. So whatever we are demanding, we are getting. Whatever updates we are demanding, we are the organization is doing it really fast and efficiently. So this is one is goodwill. Second, customer retention and customer acquisition. Third thing would be this has provided a platform for another set of uh, applications and as well as business avenues. So like if I have this platform, the KYC, so I can very well place myself via digital marketing onto different platforms so that anybody can come online and fill a form, get himself validated, primary validated, and the information can be submitted to the client. So which was not possible earlier. Earlier it was only person to person contacting. Now it was entire process is digital. So their reach is increased exponentially. Earlier their reach was only man to man marking जहाँ पर हो सकता था वहीं पर थी. Now their reach is digital. They can go beyond the physical boundaries of the city or state. So this is second thing. And story about results. इसमें आप क्या कर सकते हैं? इसमें आपको स्टोरी ही लिखना पड़ेगा because earlier there were 50. Earlier there were they were having more than 250 brokers. Okay, so all these brokers physically document send karna, document receive karna, and keep tracking of everything via Excel files was not possible at all. And second thing, they had you just assume that 250 people are sending one customer each per day, so that means 250 into 10, 2500 documents are to be verified per day. Now that is digital, so that was cumbersome. So their story lies in the efficiency, one thing. Second, accuracy. Third, peace of mind. Whatever they are doing or system is doing perfectly. So I know how will you weave the story around it, but once you do it, we will go through it. Okay. And for whom? For whom I will give you a write-up, a small write-up, which they want to keep in the story, basically, because this case study, we want to highlight the customer. If they have something unique selling point for their own, they want to highlight it 2 to 3 lines, I will add that. Because this organization, the client organization is almost 125 years old. It is one of the oldest exchange in India. But because of these technological barriers, they were not able to come out of the shell. So because of this software only, now they are trying to expand their base. So they have their own good story to tell, because 25 years, basically it is before 1900 almost. So that is huge. And very few people know about it. So and last thing would be personal quote. Yeah, yes, that thing is in our progress, because site के लिए हमको customer testimonials and feedback चाहिए थे. So हमने already initiate किया हुआ है, and I will provide to you at least 2 of them, and that would be from the MD level. Okay, so I will share this document with you. Okay, so Prachi, I will send to you. You can send to Ripple.
Yes, definitely, yes. If in case they're writing a case study on another software that you guys have developed, right? It is there in the list of web pages that you had asked to work on.
Yeah, one is KYC. Another one was SARP, SARP.
SARP, yes.
Yeah.
तो मैंने जस्ट इन केस आपको अगर कुछ डिटेल्स कलेक्ट करनी हो, ऐसा कुछ हो, तो मैंने मैसेज अभी ये जूम में ही कर दिया है आपको कि व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग्स आई विल बी इंक्लूडिंग, राइट? तो यू कैन कीप इट एज अ रेफरेंस. तो बाकी के केस स्टडीज के लिए भी इंफॉर्मेशन गैदरिंग अगर आपको आपकी साइड से कुछ करना है तो यू कैन डू इट एट योर एज, राइट? वो आप अपने पेज से कर सकते हो एंड देन यू कैन फॉरवर्ड इट टू प्राची व्हेरेवर इट्स पॉसिबल फॉर यू, राइट? तो मैंने मैसेज आपको ड्रॉप कर दिया. मैं क्या इंक्लूड करने वाली हूँ केस स्टडी में, वो स्ट्रक्चर आपको भेजा है मैंने. सो इट विल हेल्प यू, राइट, टू गेट इंफॉर्मेशन अक्रॉस.
विभू, शायद साथ का तो डॉक्यूमेंट आ चुका है मेरे पास. आई विल फॉरवर्ड इट टू यू. बट स्टिल ये क्वेश्चनरी जो आपने भेजा है ना विशाल भाई, इसको एक बार रिव्यू कर दीजिए, तो उससे अगर कुछ आपको लगे तो ये मिसिंग है, ये अभी तक provide नहीं
इन्होंने
किया गया।
Ripple has shared the steps with me, so this is one. So I will try to read through it कि how many questions I have answered and which she can extract and what I have to provide specifically. Like the first one, company story I have to provide. Like fifth one, personal code I have to provide. So like I will see other questions if what I have to provide and what she can generate.
Okay, okay.
And I will keep this actually this format for the SAP. I will give you the information in the same format if I have because I have to give the at least first and fifth to you, and for the rest of the questions I will check it on. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So I will give you this recording, one thing, and second I will give you the company's.
सात का PPT है मेरे पास.
So that is I think good enough. So you can share that.
Yes.
And PPT के अलावा भी कुछ चाहिए होगा तो Ripple go through that PPT. If you need anything else, let me know.
Sure thing. I'll check it.
Okay, so this I will be sharing with you, Ripple. Sorry,
Okay.
Prachi.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. Okay.
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 Okay. Thank you guys.
All
Thank
right.
you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Mm.